I'm going to show you a quick way to start your car if your car doesn't detect the key fob for some wonderful reason. So on these cars, some of them have them in here. Not this one. This is a 2015, but I know there's a lot of them. Our other Lincoln is in the middle here, so that's one place to check. But this is a 2015, and they changed it. We're stuck at a gas station, and nobody at Ford knew where it was, so we had to find it on a forum. Anyways, you pull this cup holder out. If you look down in there, you see this little indent. That's where you put it, and then your car should start. Hope that helps. Thanks.